Show me your calendar and I will show you your bank account. Most real estate agents live in reaction mode. You wake up, you grab your phone, you check your email, you check your text messages, and immediately you're working on other people's priorities, not your own business. Today, I'm going to break down the exact daily operating rhythm that took me from chaotic agent to predictable business owner, and it starts with one rule. Do not open your email until 11 a.m. My day actually starts the night before, but let's talk about the morning. I sit down at my desk at about 8:30. I do not look at the MLS spreadsheet. I open one tab, which is AscendR. I look at this number, which is my GCI pace. This tells me, Cam, based on what you did the last 30 days, you are on track or you need to keep working in order to hit your goal. I instantly know if I'm ahead or behind, and this creates urgency. Most agents drift through the month. I know exactly where I stand before I've had my coffee. And then from 9 to 11 is the power block. My phone is on Do Not Disturb. My door is closed. And this is where I execute my daily number, which is the number of people I need to speak with, which we went over in the business planner. You can watch that video here. I'm calling, I'm logging my contacts, my XP is going up. I'm watching my progress bar move from red to green, and my only goal at that moment is to hit my daily contact goal. Nothing else matters because nothing else will matter if I don't hit that. Now, after 11 o'clock, after I've done my prospecting session, I will clean that up and then I'll work on my current clients. I'll go on appointments, right? Do you see the difference? I paid myself first. I secured my future income before I dealt with my current income. And if you flip that, if you do admin work first, you will never get to prospecting. You will run out of time every single day. And then at the end of the day, I do a 30-second checkout. I look at my dashboard one last time. Did my projected income go up or down? Did I keep my streak alive? And then I close the laptop knowing that I won the day. I go hang out with my family and enjoy the time off.